Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by signing into sites. Google, com, and choosing a new blank site. This gets you into the editor immediately. Once signed in, upload your 612 portfolio files to Drive and label them clearly so you can add them quickly. Make sure to set a short, descriptive tagline for the home page because that tells visitors what you do. Also create a simple content map, home, work, about, contact, so you don't lose focus as you build pages. Next, add the pages you planned and structure each with sections. For the portfolio page, use a grid of image cards so thumbnails load fast. Once done, embed PDFs and live links using the Embed tool. This preserves formatting and keeps visitors on your site. Make sure to set consistent fonts, color accents, and header sizes across pages so the site feels cohesive. If you want interactions, add simple buttons that open lightboxes or link to external project pages. To finish, choose a clear site address and click Publish, then test on mobile and desktop to confirm responsive behavior. Once published, optimize by compressing images under 200 KB and adding alt text so pages load faster and are accessible. If something goes wrong, like broken embeds or private drive files, check sharing permissions and re-embed. Make sure files are set to anyone with the link can view. Finally, update your about and contact details.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.